Weigh out 12 grams of beans. Put your receptacle on the scales. Place a v60 on top and add the filter paper folded neatly. The bleached paper tends to taste better than the unbleached, but all filter paper needs to be washed out with hot water. Throw out the paper water. Put your kettle back on the boil. Grind your beans and then put the grinds into the filter paper. Zero the scales. Use freshly boiled water and add 36 grams of water. The coffee will bloom. Give the slurry a quick, repeatable stir. Top up the brew water weight to 50 grams by 30 seconds. At 30 seconds, slowly add another 50 grams of water. Ensure that your pouring is repeatable and that you pour over the whole surface of the slurry. At 1 minute, add another 50 grams of water. At 1 minute and 30 seconds, add the final 50 grams of water. The water will slowly drain through the coffee bed. Wait until the last drop has fallen out of the cone before lifting it off. Pour your coffee into a cup and serve.